Ribbon by number 13.
Sige, lakas mo lang para may...
Number 13, pass to number 2.
Oo, para may...
Number 2, set up play, pass to number 9. Out of bounds. Ismin ball. Time remaining 9 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 33, set up play. Number 33. Brothers ball. Pass to number 9. Number 2, tumira ng 3. Number 2, 3 points. Number 33, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 4, attack. 10 to shoot. 2 points by number 2. Pass to number 33. Attack. Foul.
Sabi ko na yung graduate to eh.
Who's foul?
Anthony.
Number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. Shot by number 33.
Graduate pa yan. Graduate pa yan.
First shot, basket is good. Second throw. Basket again. Ay, no good. Score 5-1 in favor of Brothers. Black by number 0. Bismin ball.
Taas dito pa lang yung bottom.
Inbound by number 33, pass to number 4. Number 4 set up play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 8, tumira ng 3, wala. Ribbon by number 13. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to number 19, 2 points by number 19. Number 4, pass to number 0. Number 0, tumira. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 8, pass to number 19. Number 19, 2 points. Number 4. Number 4, set up A. Time remaining 7 minutes and 14 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 1, 4, tumira. No good. Rebound by number 0. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 13. Number 13, set up play. Pass to number 8. Number 19. No good. Rebound by number 19. Time out. Bismin.
Score 7-9-1.
Official score 9-1 in favor of Brothers. Back to the ball game. Fourteen to shoot. Still by number 8. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes. Number 0. Pass to number 1, 4. Tumira ng 3. 3 points. Number 2, set up play. Tumira ng 3. Number 2, 3 points. Number 4, set up play. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8. 15 to shoot, still by number 13.
Siguro yun eh.
Dismin ball.
Pero sa ano yata, saan ba nag-aral sa Manila? UP, di ba? Pero nag-aaral dito?
Inbound by number 4, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 4. Pass to number 33, 15 to shoot. Number 33, 3 points. Number 8, set up play. Pass to number 9, no good. Rebound by number 19. 14 to shoot. Number 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Official score 12-7, 5-point lead by Brothers. Number 8, pass to number 1 court. Back to number 8, 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, set up play. Tumira ng 3. 3 points by number 8.
Ay, cambio,
Number
vale?
0. Number 0. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 1 court. 1 court attack. Pass to number 0. 10. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 2 attack. Pass to number 19. 2 points by number 19.
Pinabili.
15 to shoot. Number 4, set up play.
Ang dami si Kuya Ray.
Time to shoot.
Ang daming viewers.
8, 7, 4, 3,
Cambio!
1 second to shoot.
Cambio!
Cambio. Ay cambio. 1 second to shoot. 1 second to shoot. 1 second to shoot. Shot clock violation. Shot clock, shot clock, shot clock, shot clock. Foul number 33.
Yun o. Si Coach papata mo.
Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 13. No good again. Still by number 2. Number 2 attack. Foul. Number 1-4.
Third.
2 points. This means third team foul. Number 4, set up A. 15 to shoot. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7. 2 points by number 8. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Number 2, pass to number 13. Pass to number. No good. Rebound by number 1 more. Pass to number 0, pass to number 4. Number 4 attack. No good. Pass to number 4. 2 points by number 4. Number 2. Number 2 attack. 2 points by number 2. Ay cambio, Bebo, balik. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Basic daw, basic.
Number 8, set of play, 15 to shoot. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Rebound by number 13. Number 2.
11,
2 points by number 2.
23.
Time remaining exactly 1 minute.
23, 11.
Number 4, set of play. 15 to shoot, still by number 2. 2 points by number 2. 48 seconds. 14 seconds, 15 to shoot. Ay, cambio. Shoutout sa'yo, JR Dumalantang.
SOS. Shout out.
30 seconds.
What's up? Madlang people. Paring commissioner. Shout out.
24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 2 points by number 0. Plus bonus shot.
7.
Time remaining. Last 17 seconds.
Un tiro, chess.
First ball, first
15 seconds.
Tiro, Gordy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Yeah.
Basket. Bonus shot. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, 0. End of the first quarter. Number 22. Pass to number. No good. Number 0. Number 22, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots by number 0. First throw, no good. Number 22, set up play.
Ganda din namin. Ang mahirap kasi nagkakat siya.
Number 0, time remaining exactly 9 minutes. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22. Same ball. Number 10. No good. Rebound by.
Nakapagkaisa yung cornic natin. Nasabi ko ikaw magkano. Kailan ni Joe? Kaya ka na ito. Kinuha niya kanina eh.
Pass to number 4.
Tingnan ko nga dun, wala na.
Number 4 set up play. Pass to number 23. Father and Sam. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Still by number 25, pass to number 22. Time remaining exactly 8 minutes. 2 points. Zero. Number 23, 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 0. Number 25, attack. No good. Rebound by number 33. Number 33, pass to number 7. Foul.
Dalawa agad. 2 minutos pa lang.
Number 22. Second personal foul, second team foul. Cambio.
Cambio na lang tayo.
Eh, kagigising na, sandali lang.
Okay lang yun, okay. Nice foul.
2 shots by number 7, first throw.
Nice foul yun.
Basket is good. Second throw.
El, kuha ng bola. Position sa labas. Kuha ng bola.
¿Sabías que una grieta en el parabrisas puede empezar con un
Pass to number 1.
Quita en carglass.es y entra.
Number 1, no good. Driven by number 0. Number 0, nagmamadali. Attack. 2 points by number 0. Score 30-17 in favor of Brothers. Pass to number 25. Number 25, take. Out of bounds. It's mean ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
Ito yung nilalapit yung lamang.
Number 8, set up play. Number 8, attack. Pass to number 23. 3 points by number 23. Number 10, pass to number 22. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes.
Shout out from Tropang Laguna.
Shout out from Trocan Laguna. Number 8, pass to number 23. No good.
Tama.
Time out. Brothers.
Tatlong laro tapos lasing.
Kailangan naman gagawin nila eh. Nakita nyo si Perry. Kung pwesto lang no, side dito.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Official score 30-20 in favor of Brothers.
Alam niyo naman kung anong posisyon ni Perry. Saka yung anak niya. Panitin lang naman yung ginagawa mo. Sinusuot ng maliit. Ang ball hunter nila. Ganun din.
Mega.
Pasapasat sila sa labas. Panitin sila. Pati yung ball hunter na yung mataas. Tumitira din yung triple yun.
Back to the ball game. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Time remaining 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Sayang ang tato.
10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Shot clock, Memo. Shot clock. Foul. Number 23 foul. First personal foul. First team foul.
Hindi niya alam yung shot clock.
Ah.
Sabi mo 24.
Cambio.
Baseball lang yun eh. Grabe tong hugot nila.
First throw, no good.
Lapit-lapit mo ang free throw mo. Kasi kapos eh.
Pre, mag-inom na lang tayo.
Second throw. Basket. Cambio.
Eh, pre. Gani.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Grabe ni Jonel. Grabe si Jonel ngayon ha. Nakakataon si Jonel.
Number 10, tumira, 2 points. Inbound by number 20, pass to number 8. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Number 8, attack. Number 1, first personal foul. Third team foul. 16 to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, 2 points.
Malapit na.
You score 33-24 in favor of Brothers. Number 22, pass to number 10, pass to number 1, 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 1. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 4, set up play. Number 23. 3 points by number 23.
Nakapahinga yan si Perper.
Pass to number 25.
Binawi.
No good. Number 8. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes. Number 7. No good. Driven by number 25. Traveling violation. Cambio, Bebo, cambio.
Papa Reynolds.
Cambio, pasok.
Matthew, tuwa baho, mali. Tuwa baho. Dahil open di kato sa sentro.
Time out.
I kept the Bebo. Number 8. Tumira. No good. Driven by number 24. Number 10. No good.
Sari nyo na.
14 to shoot. 2 points by number 9. Number 10. Scored 25-27 in favor of Brothers. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. 15 to shoot.
Yeah.
Time out, Bismin. Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds. Official score 35-27 in favor of Brothers.
La compra del súper, algo de la farmacia o lo que quieras.
Cuenta bienvenida, BBVA. Sin comisiones, ¿eh? Esta soy yo, Carol. Llevarme hasta 720...
Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds.
Bago ko dalawang chess.
Kakarating lang ang warm up.
Hindi, kanina pa yun dyan. First quarter nandiyan.
Oo nga. Tumakbo doon? Tumakbo? Baka yun na rin doon siya.
Kailangan naning. Hindi, naning.
15 to shoot.
Bakit nag-iba yata ang ibig? Papatato nga ako dyan.
Number 2, set A. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to number 9. Number 24. Foul. Number 23. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots by number 24.
Sabihin. Matik na yan. Madam. Hindi ka.
Basket is good.
Basket number 24.
Second throw. Basket again.
Triple, Dastan.
Time remaining 1 minute and 24 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2, 2 points. Easy layup. Number 6. Number 6 at top. 2 points by number 6.
Gusto ko talaga silang tukso. Galing, oh.
50 seconds.
Pinapakitaan tayo pa yan. Pinapakitaan tayo.
Sabi lang kasi,
15 to shoot. $37 seconds. Number 8. Pass to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 7. 20 seconds. Number 10. Who's foul? Number 8. Number 8, first personal foul. 13 foul. Last 16 seconds.
Ilan kami foul? Kaya na kami foul.
Third.
Chess! D6, meron pa tayo sa foul ha?
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 9.
Lakas ang katawan dyan nila ngayon, ha?
Last 1 second. Warning for penalty. Last 1 second. No good.
Desisyon o.
Last 1 second.
Dala na lab. Dala na. Tama yan.
End of the second quarter. Score 42. Pass number 8, 2 points.
Pablo, cuidado el triple, cuidado el triple.
Number 33, pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Number 23, foul. Number 8, 9 seconds to shoot.
First personal foul.
Kay Marlon, pre.
Number 8, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots by number 33.
Lunes.
No good.
Martes. Alauna. Oh, alauna hanggang alas 4. Alauna hanggang alas 4. Alauna hanggang alas 4. Ba't puro 1 to 4 pa lang? Tapos 1 to 7. Ginawa ka may job nada. Oo, ha?
Number 2, pass to number 13. Number 8, no good.
Wala yung jacket.
Out of bounds. Number 2, set a play. Number 2, pass to number 19, pass to number 18. Number 33, 2 points by number 33. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 44-33. Driven by number 6. Still by number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 2. Sumira ng 3. No good. Number 2, set up play. Number 2, attack. 2 points by number 2. Number 6, set up play. Dribbling the ball. Number 6, attack. Foul. Foul number 24. Number 24, first personal foul, second team foul. Score 46-33 in favor of Brothers. Basket is good. Second throw. Time remaining 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Basket is good again. Number 2, attack. Basket. Who's foul? Number 0. Second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot by number 2. Basket. Number 6, set a play, dribbling the ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul. Number 24. Number 24, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots by number 0. First row basket. Number 8, attack. 2 points by number 8. Number 0, nagmamadali.
Kita ka lang.
Number 23, stayed by number 13. Same ball.
Bigyan niya nga ng ano.
Yan.
Bigyan niya ng kakawalay sa kanya. Lagyan niya ng
Same ball.
bola.
Same ball.
Kita ka lang.
Still by number 0, pass to number 6. Traveling violation. Number 8, foul.
Botoyo.
Foul number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2, tumira ng 3. No good, ribbon by number 2. No good, ribbon by number 19.
Posible ka, Anthony.
Time remaining, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Time out, dismissed. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Official score, 53-36 in favor of Brothers.
Nag-isip na ko yung patato ko.
Si ano eh, Kuya Chup, tatatuan ko sa ulo eh.
Buhok.
30 rats a day. Para magkabuhok.
Dito, pre, oh.
Dito muna mauna.
Hindi hindi pa siya nagtatato ng malaki.
Oo, di pa kang tatatuan.
Ganyan lang, school of law. Sa'yo ito?
Ito, mga gantong kalaki si...
Wala sinukulat yan, ano eh?
Hindi. Ito, akin to. Akin to. Ito.
Mas trip po.
Ikaw to?
Tumitira ka rin sa inyo ah.
Ito dati kamay lang to, yung ginagawa.
Kasi?
Hindi sa'yo. Ito?
Si eto dito, ito.
Welcome mo. Ano sa'yo, the rival?
Welcome, the UMB girls, Manny Ampi.
Ten. Mami, I'm in the house. Sab. What's up, Bali?
Ay cambio Bebo, vale? Number 19, set up a pass to number 2. Pass to number 13. Number 19. Foul. Number 0, third personal foul. Cambio, pasok. No.
Batirar.
Al tomar por culo, de verdad.
Number 19, 2 shots.
Marlon, tu arriba, ¿vale?
No good.
Conches. Sayang ang Kobe. Sayang yung crossplay.
Bigyan ng mic.
Cambio.
Announcing the rebel of our UMB girl, Miss Ampi Kristen Sarcella. Last 3 minutes.
Tira yan.
Rebound by number 9. Foul. Number 0, warning for graduate.
Bigyan ng upuan niya, papi. Mali.
Ikaw yung buwan niya dito.
Bigyan ng upuan. Saan na yung mali?
Ay, shoot tayo.
Ayaw talagang iwala kay Idol eh.
15 to shoot. 10, 9. Last 2 minutes. Pass to number 33. Tumira ng 3. No good. 14 to shoot. Time remaining, 1 minute and 14 seconds. No good, driven by number 9. Time remaining, 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 2, set up play.
Cambio.
Hay cambio, Bebo, ¿vale? Time remaining, 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 2.
50 seconds na lang ha. Pawag na kayo.
Last 55 seconds. Cambio, Bebo. Cambio.
Sige, mamaya.
I would like to acknowledge our visitor, the Road Riders, Real Madrid. 57 yan, saka 36. 3 points by number 10. Last 50 seconds. The score 60-36. 40 seconds, 15 to shoot. Number 2. 2 points by number 2. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. End of the third quarter. Number 1, pass to number 22. Pass to number 25. No good. 14 to shoot. Number 22, 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Still be number 28. Number 28 attack. Pass to number 24. Three points made, 1 point. Number 22, set up play. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 1 court. Pass to number 8. Number 8, set up play. Time remaining 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 6, 15 to shoot. Number 1, pass to number 22. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 28. Foul. 1 point. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Bang.
Back. Time remaining exactly 8 minutes. Pass to number 22. Number 22, tumira ng 3. No good.
Nice. Okay na sana.
Number 4, set up play. Time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Still by number 22. Still by number number 8. Number 6 attack. No good. Driven by number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 28. Number 28. No good. 10 to shoot. No good. 14 to shoot.
Ayan! Taruts! Pag solo, tira!
14 to shoot.
Mga ka-score eh.
No good. Pass to number 6. How? Number 24. Third personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot by number 6.
Oh, 6-0 ha?
Basket.
6-0 ha?
7.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 10. Also number 24. 2 points. To shoot. Stick by number 22. Pass to number 1. 2 points by number 1. Pass to number 6. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 22. Time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 28. Ay, cambio dito, vale?
Tatali din!
Cambio. Pasok, pasok.
Second game, Flyers.
Second game. Asador versus Flyers. Mag-ready na kayo.
0.
Number 4, pass to number 33. Number 33. No good. Rebound by number 7. No good again. 2 points by number 7. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Vamos, Bibi. Number 22. Foul by number 7. Number 7, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots by number 24. Time remaining 4 minutes and 16 seconds. First round no good. Basket. Cambio. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 4 set up play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 33. Rebound by number 54. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 28. 15 to shoot.
Pre, taruts sa solo. Eh? Walang tawagan lang. Solo, tira.
Number 4 set up play. Pass to number 0. Number 0. No good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to number 20. Foul. Number 4. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Susunod na maglalaro.
Patol tsaka Flyers, ang maganda.
Ha? Patutang na dalawang reklamador.
Number 22. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 10. 2 points by number 24. Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Score 69-44. 3 points by number 6. Seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. 10, 9. 2 points by number 24. Cambio, Bebo, cambio. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Number 2. Foul. Second person about 17 seconds to shoot. Penalty, penalty. Debo. Penalty, penalty. Ilan na yan? First throw. Basket.
Lalaro yan.
Ano maglaro? Asador sa players? Kawawa na naman ang committee nito.
Sanay na yan?
Dito na may tigil, bakit ba?
Sanay na yan? Basta ano referee, mahal.
Number 4. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Lalaro ba si Noel?
Sino? Nasaan
10 to shoot.
Andiyan na yata
2
sila.
points by number 6.
Ano pangalan nun?
Number 2. No good. 2 points by number 16. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. 2 points by number 4. Number 8. Number 2. No good. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Magana, mami. BBC.
Number 19. First person of foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot, last 55 seconds. Number 20.
You'll now 2 points.
Pass to number 8.
Whoa! Whoa!
Last 45 seconds. 14 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Final score 75-53.
End of the fourth quarter. Final
Arrow
score 76-53. Winner, Brothers.